bang in line with what economists expected, a 0.5 percentage point increase to their key policy rate. So that means we're going to be at 75 basis points for it. Every economist surveyed by Bloomberg, save for one, expected this. So not a surprise. They say that the rate by the start of next year will be around 2%. Morgan Stanley, for example, they expected the terminal rate to be slightly above 2%. So this represents a ramping up of policy, more aggression from the Riksbank. Following on from that, they say that they're going to shrink their assets in the second half faster. Their purchases for the second half, 18.5 billion Swedish krona. That's less than they had announced previously. So the immediate reaction we're seeing in the currency is some strength coming through from the krona. It's gaining about 0.3% versus the euro. I should point out, though, Jesper Peterson over at Danske Bank says that a hike in line with expectations of just 50 basis points. This is only going to be a gut punch temporary reaction of strengthening in the krona. Recall, it is the second worst performing G10 currency so far this year. So that weakness is leading to fears of imported inflation. So faster interest rate hikes, getting close to 2%, that might help strengthen it. It might also be an admission by Riksbank that they're willing to get more aggressive, Riksbank rather, get more aggressive, amp up policy, potentially hurting the housing market, which many in Sweden think is fragile at this moment. So again, continued strength from that krona, but there is some expectations that will not likely last, given that they didn't surprise hawkishly.